This is what it looked and sounded like when an RTD bus crashed into a bridge at DIA on Sunday. The impact was captured from multiple cameras inside the bus, which 9 News obtained through an open records request.
I made a right turn. I went right, and my bus was too large for a bridge. I crashed into an overpass.
3 minutes before the crash, 14 passengers were dropped off. The bus was a replacement for the A line, which was down because of City of Denver construction over the weekend. Almost 6 minutes before the crash, it's clear the driver was confused, weaving in the lanes and getting help from a passenger to get to the right drop-off spot.
You're going to make a right-hand turn. Keep going straight. Right here. Where all the buses are. Thank you, man. Appreciate your help.
After he dropped off the passengers, a DIA spokeswoman tells me the driver was supposed to turn here. He didn't. He went straight, waited for a gate, turned right, and I'd show you what happens, but this front-facing video stops 2 seconds before he ends up wedged under the bridge.